Hello everyone, it's Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have the beautiful National Airlines Boeing 747 BCF by Phoenix Malls in the 30 glorious years anniversary livery. This aircraft used to be, as far as I'm aware, it used to be the tanker aircraft, the famous 747 tanker aircraft, and it's now just with National Airlines in their fleet as a cargo aircraft. But stunning livery. November 936 Charlie Alpha. I've actually seen this parked at Orlando. Looks really, really nice. It's in and out of there. I wouldn't say often, but it's in and out of there from time to time. Very, very nice aircraft. So let's get right into it. This is Phoenix models. So here's the box. Here's the back, some pictures of it. Looking really nice. Alright, let's go ahead. Open it up. Slide it out. There it is. Looking really, really nice. Alright. Here we have it, guys. There's the model. Beautiful 747. Always happy to add another 747 to the collection, that's for sure. That I have been doing with the cargo variants and stuff, so very nice. Oh, it's not there we go. Alright, a little bit of a struggle there. Let's get this small out of the box. Wow, very, very nice. Great packaging. Some foam in there. That's nice. Nice touch. Alrighty. Pull that off to the side. Alright. Spin this around here. Very, very nice looking aircraft. Very nice looking model. Wow. Yeah. Alright guys, we'll just adjust the camera here and let's get into some of the detail. So here we have the model looking really, really nice. I don't know, you know, it's just incredible. This is the red, so there's like the gold, looking really, really nice. So starting off the front here, got the nose and everything looking really nice. What does that say on the nose right there? What does that say? Lori. Oh, interesting. Okay. Must be like the name or something. Got that nice sort of like black paint there right under the cockpit windows, looking really nice. Some good detail around the front here. Obviously this was a passenger aircraft that was converted to cargo. BCF, Boeing Converted Freighter. So you got the big top there. Got the 30 years dedicated. I believe it says, what does it say? 30 years of glorious service, national. You got the national titles right there in gold, nationalairlines.com. Very, very nice. The gears looking really nice down there too. Just moving along, got the engines and the wings looking really nice. Kind of like the drooping sort of wing effect there for the 747, which is pretty accurate. But it seems to droop more on this side than the other side, so I'm not sure what's up with that. But yeah, moving along. The overwing exit there, and then the back, you have that upper deck cargo door. We deliver the world. Moving to the back there, November 936 here, Alpha and the American flag right at the back there. You got the nice tail with that gold. Looking very, very nice with the winglets, looking really nice too. So, you know, pretty plain livery in the sense that there's not a whole lot going on other than the beautiful colors, the red and the gold looking really nice and standing out. But yeah, on this side then, it's just the cargo doors. At the back here, you got the bulk bin and the actual cargo door then, and then the forward cargo door here. Very, very nice model. Let's take a look at the underneath. Or the underneath. Here we go. Pretty plain. Nothing fancy. Really nice though. So we'll go ahead, turn this back around here. Looking really, really nice, guys. Beautiful model by Phoenix Models. The model is pretty good. No complaints. Just the antennas and whatnot. No Wi-Fi boxes or anything. It wouldn't be necessary for a cargo aircraft. But yeah, great detail. Looking really, really nice. And a beautiful livery. I highly recommend it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this short video, but stay tuned for more mall unboxing review videos, plane spotting videos, etc. But yeah, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one, guys. Take care. Bye bye.